Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to sign. It's time to sign. In my classroom, in my classroom. Play with me. Learn with me. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. Here we go. Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss Lillian with Time to Sign in the classroom. Are you ready to learn with me today? We are learning some really cool song that when you hear the song, you know what we're going to be able to do. So if you hear apples and bananas, that means, hey, it's time to eat. If you hear ABC song, it is circle time or reading time. If you hear Mr. Sun is going outside to play. If you hear clean up time, it's going home. So we got to clean up before we go home. If you hear twinkle, twinkle, little star, it's time for a nap. So let's get ready. Let's learn the song. Here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above, the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Sign it with me, okay? Are you ready? Let's sign it together. It's for nap time.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Let's do apples and bananas. When you hear this song, it's all about food. It's time to eat somewhere, okay? Whether it's breakfast or lunch or dinner. So here we go. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Yeah! How about the ABC song? And we're going to do the ABC song in slowly. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me or sign with me? Are you ready? Let's do it together.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I signed my ABCs. Next time, won't you sign with me?
Now let's do it a little faster. You ready?
Now let's learn to sing and sign our ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now let's try it a little faster. Here we go. Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yay! Now let's do. So the next one is Mr. Sun. When you hear that song, Mr. Sun, you know it's outside time, outside play. So Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Or Mr. Sun, hiding behind the trees. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Or Mr. Sun, please shine down on me. Let's try that.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me.
Yay! Cleanup song. Every day, at the end of the day, I want you to do a cleanup song, okay? And you could do the basic cleanup song, guys. So I want you to do that with your teachers. Come on, it's cleanup time. And when you hear the cleanup song, you know it's time to go home. I love that song. So clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up, everybody, do your share. So it's cleaning up and doing your share. Very good. And I have another cleanup song that I'm going to sign a little bit for you.
We're cleaning up.
Sign then fine, sign then fine, sign then fine.
We're cleaning up.
Sign then fine, sign then fine, sign then fine.
We're cleaning up. Pick up the toys.
Sign toys, fine toys.
We're cleaning up. Pick up the blocks.
Sign blocks, fine blocks.
We're cleaning up. Pick up the puzzles.
Sign puzzles, fine puzzles.
We're cleaning up.
Pick up the books. Sign books, fine books.
We're cleaning up.
Pick up the clothes. Fine clothes, fine clothes.
We're cleaning up.
Pick up the crayons. Fine crayons, fine crayons.
We're cleaning up.
Pick up the cars. Fine cars, fine cars.
We're cleaning up.
Pick up the dolls. Fine dolls, fine dolls.
We're cleaning up.
Sign then fine, sign then fine, sign then fine.
We're cleaning up.
Sign then fine, sign then fine, sign then fine. Please put away gently, carefully, respectfully. Please put away gently, carefully, respectfully.
you like that song? You can sign it and then find it. So if the teacher says, find the toy, you find the toys, then put them away softly and gently and respectfully. It's a great way to put away the toys so we can use them for later. Now, a circus train. So you could do the circus train, the animal train. So when you hear this song, you can go outside with it. You can do these things, or you can run around the classroom being a circus train. So let's do the circus train song.
All right, everybody, all aboard. Get lined up. Get all your animals ready. Here comes the circus train.
All aboard the circus train, the circus train, the circus train. Line up for the circus train, the circus train, the circus train. Come on board the circus train, the circus train, the circus train. Join us on the circus train, the circus train, the circus train.
First car, pig. Second car, lion. Third car, dog. Fourth car, elephant. Fifth car, monkey. Sixth car, horses.
All aboard the circus train, the circus train, the circus train. Line up for the circus train, the circus train, the circus train. Come on board the circus train, the circus train, the circus train. Join us on the circus train, the circus train, the circus train.
Maybe it could be a cow or maybe a horse. The wheels on the bus. I love doing this with you kids. I love it. I love it doing that, going around being the wheels on the bus. And you could be the wheels on the bus and go around and around the room. You could be the wipers. You could be the horn. You could be the baby or the mommy or the driver. So let's try it. The wheels on the bus.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Yes, that's right. Good town, like that. Wheels.
The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 wah. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 all through the town. The mommy on the bus goes shh, 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 shh. The mommy on the bus goes shh, 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 all through the town. The driver on the bus goes move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus goes move on back, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Yay! Thank you for joining me on teaching you some cool songs that when you hear them, you know what you do. What do you do? Apples and bananas, mealtime, ABCs, Circle time or reading time. Twinkle, twinkle, nap time. Mr. Sun, outside. All right. And cleanup song, going home. So thank you so much for joining me today.